Yes, that is so fucking pretty. Hey guys, it's Jessica and welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how to do a makeup look and different colors to use to make brown eyes pop. I got my face prepared before that in case there's some fallout. Oh, there's powder in my eye. So the basic tip for making brown eyes pop, or any eye color for that matter, is to use eyeshadows that are like the complete opposite of your eye color. The contrasting color of blue is kind of reddish color. If somebody with blue eyes puts like kind of more red toned eyeshadows on, like it is fucking stunning. If you have dark eyes, then wearing a brighter color will really make your eyes pop and look darker and stand out. For brown eyes specifically, things like blues and purples are considered super flattering on brown eyes. Today we're gonna be doing a blue eyeshadow look. I'm gonna be using the Juvia's Place Nubian 2 palette because I think it's just got some really good colors in here. Like that blue I think will be really pretty on brown eyes. And then starting with the color Madagascar, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease and kind of blend it up to right below my brow bone. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Jezebel, which is kind of a purpley plummy color, which is really pretty with brown eyes. I'm just gonna put that in my crease and keep it super low. And then I'm gonna put down just like a little base for my eyelids to make the blue eyeshadow pop. I'm just using this little, some kind of sticky primer stuff. I'm just gonna put that on my eyelid. It kind of burns my eyelid. I don't think it's supposed to do that. I'm gonna take this blue color, Cleopatra. I'm just going to pat that onto my eyelid. Yes, that is so fucking pretty. Then I'm gonna go in with the color Kenya. I'm gonna use that in my crease as well. I'm going to take a little eyeliner brush and I'm going to dip back into the color Cleopatra. I'm going to dust that under my lower lash line. Then I'm going to line my tight line and waterline with just a dark eye pencil. It doesn't really matter what color as long as it's dark. I'm going to take a flat brush and get it kind of wet with some water. I'm going to take this color Zuri, pop that right in the middle of my eyelid. And then I'm taking this blue eyeshadow from NYX called Mermaid. I'm going to put that over the color Zuri. I'm just gonna try to blend some stuff out. Taking that mermaid color again, getting my brush wet again. And I'm actually gonna use that as my highlighter for the inner corners. I'm gonna kind of drag it over under my lash line a little bit. And I'm just gonna do a little pop of Zuri right there just to add a little bit more brightness to it. Color Zuri again, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with that. And then I'm just gonna take a little pop of that mermaid color and just put it right at the highest point right there. I'm just gonna go in with the mermaid color and put a little bit on my cheek. And that is it for this makeup look. I put on my lips and my mascara and shit. This little lady had a meltdown, so I had to go get her and wash my self-tanner off, and so that's why we look like a mess right now. I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm gonna say bye. I'm gonna say bye.